Order online at
And anything
www.novuhair.us.
synthetic, your body in the end will reject. Some people might respond to synthetic products, which is okay in the end, but actually there will be a buildup of toxicity in your body. Eventually, you will feel that in your 60s and 70s, and you'll ask yourself why. Because you were bombarding yourself with synthetic ingredients that is absorbed by your liver. Any doctor will tell you when someone is sick, the first thing they look at is the liver, because it's a dumping ground of the body. When the body cannot process, digest, or process, or absorb as nutrient in the body, it will reject the synthetic ingredients and dump it in the liver. That is a biological and medical truth. So why burden and stress your liver? When you go natural and choose natural, you will never stress your liver. You will always be healthy. There's always a downside to using products with synthetic ingredients. Your body will tell you in the end, oops, I've got an overload. You've got an overload, we've got to do something about it. And that's where detoxification has to come in. But if you have a product that you use every day that's all natural, there will be no toxicity in your body and no toxic overload.